Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete all contacts from Android phone. If you are using an Android phone and you want to delete your contacts, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your phone call and here you'll get your contacts, but there is no any option to delete the contacts. You can see I have selected some contacts, just tap on delete and it will remove moved to your recycle bin. So it means that these contacts won't delete. So let's see how can you delete your contacts. You just have to open your Gmail app. Here just go for three horizontal lines at the top left, then select contacts from here, and here you will get all of your contacts. So you just have to select the contacts which you want to delete. As I'm going to delete some contacts from here, then tap on the delete icon and then tap on delete. It will delete your contacts permanently from your phone. So that's how you can easily delete all contacts. Just select all contacts and then you can easily delete them. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.